Hello everyone, we are staying at the Waldorf Astoria. We are on the 12th floor, room 1236. As you can see, with any Hilton stay, you have the clean stay seal when you book the room. Upon entering the room, you will see the bathroom to your right. You do have a nice tub, separate tub. You have a large vanity, single sink with mirror, 2 lighted sconces. You have your toilet, and then you have a nice standing shower. These beautiful floors lead to a lovely closet. It's lighted. You have your ironing board, an iron, luggage rack, and you have a full-length mirror, which is always nice when ladies need to get ready. And you also have this cute little nook with your ice bucket, waters, everything you need. It's like a coffee maker. It's actually an espresso machine. And this little cabinet leads to a mini fridge. This room has 2 queen beds. You see our nice little critters right here. Comes with a clock, phone. They do provide hand wipes also to sanitize the room. You have a nice television. An additional storage down below. Drawers, a safe. The remote shows it has also been cleaned. Wiped down with Lysol products. Again, more storage. You do have a desk and chair if you need to work. With a nice lamp with an outlets. I don't see a USB here, but you do have plenty of lighting. There's an additional lamp here. Nice chair, some more water, Evian. And then we have a golf view, which is really, really pretty. You can see the Gaylord palms across the street. See the golf course. We saw some people out actually earlier. So it's a really nice room. Very impressed so far. And it's our anniversary, so this is a little touch that the Waldorf did do just for us. Isn't that sweet? All right, guys. Hope you like seeing the room.